All right, we are in Weston, Missouri, and we're in the small little charming old town of Weston, Missouri. You might have seen our distillery video from Holiday, but we're gonna check out this little charming town. And supposedly the place that we're going to has some really great recommendations from some people as far as lunch goes. It's almost 2 o'clock here, so we did the distillery first real quick, and now we're grabbing a bite to eat. All right, so this is where we're eating today. Tin Kitchen, right across from the St. George Hotel. We're right in the middle of town, so let's go in. All right, we sat down and we're at Tin Kitchen in Weston. Oh, I'm liking the menu here. Definitely some good stuff. All right, we're doing a flyover. We got the slaw baked beans, brisket, look at that. Look at the red for the ring, pork, chicky chick, and salad. Yes, the chicken's for the salad, so it comes separate. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this, brisket and the baked beans. Wow. This is Missouri barbecue. All right, guys, that spot, definitely recommend it. You're in Kansas City, drive up here, please. Definitely the best pulled pork I've ever had. I'm very picky with pulled pork for some reason. I think a lot of places are very subpar, and just that place was good. All right, so definitely check it out. All right, so we're gonna be doing this little Midwest tour, so definitely follow along in the next videos for some great foodie locations. But we're gonna keep checking out the town here in Weston. Later.